Trying to capture a good image of these airplanes leaving a persistent contrail is always pretty difficult. They're usually flying at an extremely high altitude and at a high rate of speed. The combination of these two variables make it difficult to focus and track these planes on a camera. In this footage, I tried to manually track this plane as it flew overhead, leaving a persistent contrail.